In this video, I'll show you how to play Happy Birthday song with both hands. I have already taught the Happy Birthday song in my previous video. So today we'll learn with both hands. So this is my left hand and this is my second octave. And this side we are going to play the left hand and this side we are going to play our right hand. Actually from here to here we'll use our Happy Birthday song, and this side we'll use our left hand to play along with the right hand. We'll start. I'll repeat it one more time. So this is going to be a bit tough. So you need to practice with patience and you have to try line by line. You cannot play the whole thing at a time. So you need to try each line and you have to repeat it until you get it.